Story 25. A man whose hands and feet had been amputated killed a millipede, and a pious passerby exclaimed, "Praised be Allah." In spite of the 1,000 feet he possessed, he could not escape from a man without hands and feet when his fate had overtaken him. When the life-taking foe comes in the rear, fate ties the legs of a running man. At the moment when the enemy has slowly arrived, it is useless to draw the Kayanian bow. And obviously one of the sneaking up on someone from behind is obviously a good attack move, so beware of that oneself. But sometimes those who lack something are the ones who are able to take down those who have excess of something.